Hello, I'm Ash Davis for Davis Electric, and this is my apprentice Tim Vincent. This is a sign that we provided all the electrical, wiring, and underground necessary for Wanamaker Woods Church of the Nazarene. We were brought into this project before the bid process just to get power to their beautiful sign, which they incorporated with another company here in Topeka. I think it's called Knox Signs. Anytime that we do any underground digging or service or repair, you're required to call 811 and get your locates. So we called 811. They came and marked the ground for us. Then you wait 5 business days for your locates to be cleared, and after that point, they will send you an email with an all clear. After that process is done, you can come out here with a trencher or hand digging or whatever it takes to get your power in. With this one, we used a small trencher, and we're able to trench from the sign over to the building. We ran a 3/4 inch conduit and pulled in a 20 amp circuit for this sign. So this church went from having a normal lighted sign. Now we have a nice LED sign for them to incorporate their events to. So if this is something that you would like to have at your business or a place of gathering, feel free to give us a call and we can show you how to incorporate this with what you need.